Hey everyone, welcome back to Next Level English. Today, we're gearing up for the SAT with a grammar MCQ practice quiz, 40 questions to sharpen your skills. Ready to crush it? Let's dive in. 1. Choose the correctly punctuated sentence. She said she would come, but then she didn't. Tips: use a comma before but in compound sentences. 2. Which sentence uses an adjective correctly? She is better at tennis than him. Tips: better is the comparative form of good. 3. Correct word to complete the sentence: the book is the table. Tips: on is used to indicate position on a surface. 4. Identify the sentence with correct subject-verb agreement. The dogs run in the yard. Tips: subject-verb agreement requires plural subjects to take plural verbs. 5. Correct conjunction: I wanted to go to the party. I was feeling sick. But. Tips: but is used to contrast two ideas. 6. Which of these sentences is correct? The teacher, who was very kind, helped me. Tips: non-essential information should be set off by commas. 7. Choose the correct comparative form: this book is, then that one. More interesting. Tips: the comparative form is more plus adjective. 8. Which sentence is in the passive voice? The cake was baked by her. Tips: passive voice highlights the action or object, not the subject. 9. Select the correct preposition: I am interested. Learning Spanish. In. Tips: interested in is the correct prepositional phrase. 10. Which of the following sentences uses a possessive pronoun correctly? This book is mine. Tips: possessive pronouns like mine do not need an apostrophe. 11. Which of these sentences is in the future tense? He will play tennis tomorrow. Tips: will indicates future tense. 12. Choose the correct sentence. Neither the teacher nor the students were absent. Tips: and neither nor takes a plural verb if the second subject is plural. 13. Correct form of the verb: by this time tomorrow, she finished the work. Will have. Tips: use future perfect, will have finished, for actions done before a future time. 14. Which is the correct possessive form? The dog's bone. Tips: the possessive form for singular nouns is created with an apostrophe plus s. 15. Which sentence uses an adverb correctly? She sings beautifully. Tips: adverbs modify verbs, adjectives, or other adverbs. 16. Choose the correct sentence. She and I went to the store. Tips: the correct order is I before she. 17. Identify the sentence with a correct conditional structure. If I study, I will pass the test. Tips: use the present simple and first conditionals for real future situations. 18th. Which sentence correctly uses a relative clause? The book, which is on the table, is mine. Tips: which is used for non-essential information about objects. 19. Which sentence is grammatically correct? I don't know where she went. Tips: use the past tense when for actions that happened in the past. 20. Choose the correct pronoun. Each of the students has his or her books. Tips: each is singular, so the pronoun must be singular, his or her. 21. Which sentence is correct? She sings beautifully, but her brother doesn't sing. Tips: use doesn't for third person singular in base verb form. 22. Which sentence is correct? They could have helped if they wanted to. Tips: the correct phrase is could have, not could have. 23. Choose the correct sentence. If I knew, I would tell you. Tips: use the past simple knew after if I. 24. Which of the following sentences is correct? He went to the store earlier today. Tips: use when for specific past times. 25. Choose the correct form of the adjective. She is taller than him. Tips: taller is the correct comparative form. 26. Which sentence is grammatically correct? I don't know what the answer is. Tips: place the subject and verb before the noun clause, what the answer is. 27. Which sentence is correct? The book that I borrowed is on the table. Tips: use that for restrictive clauses, essential information. 28. Choose the correct form of the verb. She would have done it if she had time. Tips: use the past participle done with would have. 29. Which sentence is correct? The committee has made its decision. Tips: committee is a singular noun, so use its instead of their. 30. Which sentence is grammatically correct? Neither the dog nor the cat has been fed. Tips: with neither nor, match the verb to the nearest subject. 31. Choose the correct word. She is smarter than him. Tips: smarter is the correct comparative form. 32. Which sentence is correct? They were late for the meeting. Tips: use were with plural subjects. 33. Choose the correct verb form. I wish I were there. Tips: use were after wish for hypothetical situations. 34. Which sentence is correct? It's important that he go to the meeting. Tips: use the base form of the verb, go, after that in such sentences. 35. Choose the correct sentence. She asked me where she goes. Tips: use indirect speech and no auxiliary verb, does, in such questions. 36. Which sentence is correct? Each of the players has a different strategy. Tips: each is singular, so use has instead of have. 37. Which sentence is correct? She plays the piano better than me. Tips: better is already the comparative form of good. 38. Which sentence is grammatically correct? He can hardly speak English. Tips: hardly should come before the verb speak. 39. Choose the correct form of the verb. She had already eaten when I arrived. Tips: use the past participle eaten with had. 40. Which sentence is correct? If he were here, he would help. Tips: use were for hypothetical situations, even with he or she. How did you do? Post your score in the comments, hit that like button, and don't forget to subscribe for more SAT prep and grammar tips. Keep pushing forward, see you next time.